Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening display settings and checking the current resolution and scale. This is crucial because the change you make here controls text and UI size. Once done, disconnect external monitors or note their settings so you don't apply changes incorrectly. Make sure you have administrator access and the graphics driver control panel available, NVIDIA, Intel, or AMD, because some options live there. This prevents surprises and lets you scale precisely rather than guessing with zoom. You now change the resolution first, lowering it to make content appear smaller. Pick a native or one-step lower resolution for the sharpest result. Next, adjust the scaling percentage in display settings. Try 100% then 90 or 85 to find a comfortable balance between UI and readability. If the OS lacks fine control, open your GPU control panel for fractional scaling options. This gives smoother results. Make sure to apply and test each change so you can revert if text becomes. You finish by applying changes, signing out or restarting to ensure all apps adopt the new size. Inspect browser, file manager, and toolbars. If something looks off, blurry icons or cut off UI, roll back to the previous resolution or reset the display driver. Updating or reinstalling the driver often fixes odd scaling artifacts. Make sure to fine-tune clear type and individual font sizes for clearer text. And remember, keep one working restore point so you can quickly undo any problematic adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.